Hi, hello, good evening everyone. My name is Sampath Roshan Bandara. Welcome to my Bulka TV YouTube channel. Welcome to 4-week EMT product training. My product is a new mattress range. So before we start mattress product, we can ask from the customer some open question. The first we can ask who will going to use this mattress. Also we can ask what is your bed size. Also we can ask the extra comfortable you want. So let me introduce a new mattress range. Introduction new adults mattress, quality upgraded, price competitive and affordable sleep solution. Let's discuss what is the features and benefit about this new mattress range. Also I already display here some you can take some idea. So at Home Center we believe in quality, will not compromise on it. So we go the first what is the both of why we need new mattress. We are constantly trying to offer best market product at affordable price. Bring a newness to mattress will help customers select the best sleep solution for them. We have introduced two mattress range, Prime and Tranquil. How we do know which mattress to offer to customer? To help to understand the mattress better, Prime is exactly like a deluxe range. Tranquil exactly like Palace range. So what is the general information about the both mattress? Non-allergic properties ensure ultimate hygiene, treated to be anti-dust mite, making it comfortable sleep surface, offering product quality assurance made in UAE. Now let's quickly understand the feature and benefit of Prime range. You can see the Prime range exactly like Deluxe. So Prime support. The first one is a Prime support. Same like a Deluxe support. Also Prime Royal, same like a Deluxe Royal. Also Prime Relax, same like a Deluxe Relax. So we can keep the short form, keep in the mind Prime DSRR, SRR, support, relax, Royal. So that is the Prime range. So we go by one by one. We will go to the understand what is this mattress's feature and benefit. So the first we will go to the Prime support mattress. Premium knit quality fabric of a great comfort surface. The mattress 10 years warranty. Medium foam. Side back, side sleeper and back sleeper are recommended. First grade compress foam offer the greater support back and perfect body posture for the who sleep. Mattress thickness up to 18 centimeter. Mattress must be flipped quarterly for the better support and longevity. Now we go to the next mattress, Prime Relax mattress. Prime Relax mattress. So Prime knit quilted fabric offer the great comfort surface, retaining the coolness and wrinkle resistance. Added layer PU foam offer the greater comfort as well, extend the lifetime the mattress. Layer of the hard cotton felt pad work as ideal insulation for the springs. High carbon rust Bonnell spring chassis offer the grade and core and provide the strength and durability. Foam encased edge offer the better support for the premium quality broader fabric offer the neat finish and the site. So that is the Prime Relax mattress feature and benefit. Then we go Prime Royal. What is the feature and benefit? Premium knit quality fabric offer the great comfort surface and wrinkle resistance. Number 2, extra cushioning of the pillow up top layer, extra comfort, reduce transport to motion from to another sleeper to another. The number 3, layer of the PU foam offer the greater support and extend the life mattress. Number 4, layer of the hard cotton felt pad work as the ideal insulation for the springs. High carbon resist Bonnell spring chassis offer the great support as a core and provide strain durability. Foam encased edge offer the better support and durability. Premium quality broader fabric offer the neat finish the site. Mattress thickness up to 29 cm. Non-filled mattress be rotate need to be foot to feet to side quarterly for the better support and longevity. So that is the prime range. Then we will go to the next range, Tranquil. So what is the Tranquil? Tranquil is exactly like a palace. So let's understand Tranquil Visco like a palace Visco. Tranquil Gel like a palace gel. Tranquil HR like a palace HR. So we can keep the short form Tranquil Pal VGHR. That's we can keep the remind what is the ranges we are V Visco G Gel HR VGHR. So first we will go to the Tranquil Visco mattress. So what is the Tranquil Visco mattress? Premium from layers quanted with soft knitted fabric. What is the benefit? Offer the great comfort, flush feel. Number 2, thick layer of memory foam. The benefit offer the quick response to body shape, help to relaxing the pressure. Number 3, layer of the PU foam offer the ideal insulation for the spring as well support for the body. Number 4, layer of the PP sheet provide spring foam, anti-pocketing. Number 5, individually wrapped pocket coil, readiness motion transfer foam to another sleeper. That is the Tranquil Visco. Then we will go to the Tranquil HR. That's a medium soft. I forget to tell. These all are 15 years. Tranquil's 15 years. We have warranty 15 years. Only the prime range only the 10 years. So we will go to the Tranquil HR. Premium foam layer, quadrat knitted soft knitted fabric, offer the great comfort and flush feel. Combination HR foam, memory foam from the content with the body and provide the optical support to ones. Layer of the PU foam offer the ideal insulation for the spring as well support for the body. The layer of the PP sheet provide the spring from the anti-pocketing. Individually wrapped pocket coil, high the resilience to spring coil, ensure the luxurious comfort, more durability. Foam enclosed edge offer the better support and durability. A layer of the high density foam offer the great support for the durability and spring. Anti-slip non-woven fabric offer the ideal grip for the mattress on the base. Mattress thickness 26 cm. Non-flip mattress must be rotated head to feet side quarterly for the better support and longevity. That is the HR, Tranquil HR. So we will go the last one, Tranquil Gel. Premium, this one also 15 years warranty. Backside and side sleeper are recommended. Soft mattress, premium firm layer quality with the soft knitted fabric, keep the surface cool and wrinkle resistance. Gel influence memory foam, regulable body temperature, constant to the body shape and pressure release. Number 3, layer of the PU foam offer the ideal insulation for the spring as well support for the body. Individually wrapped pocket coil receive the motion transfer from the one sleeper